We're at 363 Belmont. Scratch that. 363 Bayshore. I had a faulty, we were here yesterday and I had a corrupted thumb drive, so I'm going down again. So I already know where everything is. This comes out and starts going west. So we got bad joints all along. Got another bad one coming up here. A lot of roots right there. We're going to now swing towards the alley. Right now we're heading west up the street, up the alley I mean.
Okay, I'm going to do a lot of huffing and puffing here for a little bit, trying to get it around that last corner through all this gunk out into the alley, which I do, which runs around 50 feet. And I mark it out in the alley, 3 feet, 6 inches deep, with an arrow going west. So I'm going to cut off the rest of this because there's nothing to see until I start pulling back.
I'm going to locate that. Okay, this is out in the alley. Alright, this is part of the city. I got it marked out there sort of a little sloppily with 3 feet 6 inches deep. It's heading west. And this is as far as I could push it before it kind of gets stuck. So you got some crap built up in there. Okay, that's the city, and that's your line. That's the city right there. Again, this is your line.
So again, this is your line. When I come around this bend right here, now I'm pulling it back down, going east, following the bigger garage on the way to the smaller garage where I'm video inspecting it from. So you're just going to see the line that you saw on the way out. So you got a couple of really bad spots. You have right before it goes to the alley, the straight shot is not good. And then you have around 12 feet, you have that bad section as it comes out of the garage, right there. Right here, that's the turn, excuse me, we're going to make a turn here, and which would be a good place for the new pipe to start, not right here, but as it comes around right here, that would be right on the outside of the garage door, right there where that little root is. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot. We're pulling out of the clean out now. Thank you.